Hello and welcome. Today we will be talking about itumeleng khune net worth, cars, house, salary. Now please take a seat and enjoy. With a professional career spanning over 2 decades, itumeleng khune is one of the best goalkeepers of all time in South Africa. Here is a look at itumeleng khune's net worth and salary, his childhood and educational background, as well as his career that has made him millions. Itumeleng khune's background. Itumeleng khune was born on 20 June 1987 in Xing, Ventersdorp, Northwest, to Elias and Flora Khune, and he is of Swana heritage. The top goalie comes from a family of footballers. His father Elias worked at a mine in Carletonville as a driver and played amateur football as a striker. His younger brother Lucky Khune is also a professional footballer and has played for several clubs, including Chippa United, Vasco da Gama, and Kaizer Chiefs as a centre-forward. He reportedly had 5 siblings, but sadly one of his younger sisters, Mapula Khune, passed away on 4 March 2021 in a mysterious house fire in Ventersdorp in Northwest. Itumeleng khune studied at New Nation, Westridge, St. Barnabas, and R.W. Fick High School. He recently graduated from the Gordon Institute of Business Science. Growing up, itumeleng khune's passion was in the game of cricket, and he was heavily influenced by Nicky Bodje. He later decided to pursue a career in football so as to make a living to support himself and his family. Itumeleng khune is married to a Jiran beauty called Siphelele Makunga. The two had dated quietly before going public with their relationship sometime in 2019. The goalie had proposed then and his then girlfriend had accepted. The two were traditionally married the same year, and in 2020 they welcomed their first child. The marriage was plagued with cheating rumors at some point. A social media user had claimed that Shush and the footballer had an affair. She had shared a selfie of them together. The claims had infuriated itumeleng khune, who threatened to sue. The case has since died down. Itumeleng khune and Siphelele Makunga had their second child, a girl, in June this month. Prior to the birth, Siphelele Makunga had shared an image of her baby bump, letting her fans know she was expecting. When the baby came, itumeleng khune had shared a picture of him with the newborn as well as his first child, stating that God has the better plan and that he's proud to be a dad for the second time. Considered one of the oldest in the Kaizer Chiefs ranks, itumeleng khune is also one of the top earners. He reportedly earns around R500,000. Itumeleng khune wouldn't speak on the exact sum he earns as a goalie, though. Itumeleng khune is one of the top earners in the game in Mzansi. His exact net worth is unknown, but estimates from the football community put it at R35 million. If houses are the chief giveaway of a person's net worth, then itumeleng khune is doing excellently. Itumeleng khune apparently has more than one house. In a clip posted to Instagram this time last year, June 2020, the goalie had given fans glimpses into his new crib. In the caption to the post, he had written, "Just a sneak peek of all my hard work." The clip has since been taken down. Itumeleng khune has got a fine taste in cars, and it shows. Never one to hide his interest in cars, the celebrated footballer routinely shares snaps of him posing with his cars. Among the cars in his collection are a Mercedes C43 AMG valued at R1.1 million, an Audi RS3 valued at R800,000, a BMW 1 Series, a Jeep Cherokee, and a Nissan Juke valued at R320,000. Please support the channel, like and subscribe. Thank you.